Hi, and welcome to another daily recap. So today I'm going to recap date 06 and it's September 24th, 2024 Tuesday. And today I just traded only GU. I did not trade EU because I was stuck with other professional works. So, uh, and in GU, I didn't get any breaks today. There was a trading opportunity, but in the lower time frames, the entry was not perfect. And even I took dummy trade. I'll show you how to take a dummy trade. And that dummy trade did play out, but I was stopped at break even at the end. So that's the summary of what happened today. Let's jump into the whiteboard and see what happened in detail. So before starting the analysis, it's very crucial that you must know what fundamental news is there so that the fundamental news can decide the session volatility. I can't say it can decide the session direction, but it can decide the session volatility. So there was news only at 3 p.m. So that is, at 3, I'll end my session, trading session. So this news will not affect me. So that was my expectation going into the session. So coming into the daily structure, the swing structure is bullish, internal is also bullish, and the fractal is also bullish. So all the three structures are aligned bullish. So let's zoom in to see what the daily has for me. So price has swept this liquidity and then made a strong push up, which means this is a very good daily POI from which the price they tap into and then push further up. If it wants, take out the daily buy side liquidity right here. So today can be slightly bearish. Maybe London can be bearish and make the low of the day, and then New York can distribute, uh, ho- holding the London low and then taking out the daily buy side liquidity. That could be one of the scenarios where the price can play out bullish. So you can expect the price to be bearish to mitigate the daily demand, but the price can continue to be bullish till it takes out the buy side liquidity. This buy side liquidity is our main target. So what is the daily objective? Sell side liquidity sweep, target buy side liquidity bullish. And one more confluence is that price has swept the sell side liquidity. So the next obvious target would be the buy side liquidity, which is up right here. Coming into the 4-hour chart, the swing structure is bullish, internal is also bullish. So same. What does the high time frame say to me? High time frame is saying price is going to be bullish today. Same. In 4-hour chart, the high time frame is also bullish, mean the bias is also bullish because I can follow this internal structure. Price can tap into this one and then it can push up. So that's first one. So for that, price needs to be bearish. So I can play the 4-hour internal pullback, and once the 4-hour internal pullback is completed, I can look to target the week internal high. So for now, I can say this is a very good POI because price has swept some sensor liquidity and then made a massive push up. This is a very good POI which the price can be magnetized towards to. So looking for shorts is valid because price can make the internal pullback and also it has tapped into the daily demand, daily supply. So two confluences are adding up to take shots. But remember, I need a lower time frame confirmation before taking any high time frame story. Here we go. The swing structure is bullish, internal is also bullish, swing is bullish, internal is also bullish. Price mitigated the daily supply, thus I can expect some bearish reaction. There is in sorry, this is in confluence with the price making internal pullback. Yeah. Thus, I can look for phase D shorts if I see the price chalk bearish. So once the price chalks bearish, I can play the internal pullback, which is also known as phase D shorts. This could be a high probability phase D short because price has mitigated the high time frame POI and price has made a bearish chalk, which means high probability phase D shorts. But I must be cautious that the price can respect this POI. This is a low time frame POI, which flipped this supply. Okay, and can continue the bullish order flow to take out the buy side liquidity. I show you I showed you the buy side liquidity here. Target, yeah. This is a target buy side liquidity. So price can reach all the way up there. And for longs, I must see the continuation of the bullish chart. Ideally, I would happy to take longs if there is a bullish sweep zone form. So you know what is bullish sweep zone, right? Price taking out some sell side liquidity and then pushing further up. This is a clear indication that the price has used the sell side liquidity and then to show its real capital. So once that happens, I can look for the fresh POI and then trade to target the daily buy side liquidity. So that was the game plan for longs. At 7:18, price made a bearish top. Now we need to wait for the 7 a.m. candle to finish printing to confirm whether this is actually a bearish top or sell liquidity sweep to form a bullish signal. So yeah, price has struck the occasion high and it has stopped bearish, but this is not enough. I want the candle to be finished printing. So only after the candle has finished printing, I know that this uh, move is whether a real move by institutions or it's just a liquidity sweep by an algorithm. So at A, once the candle finished printing, now you can see it was just a liquidity sweep. Though the price has made a bearish chop and mitigated this POI, it is just a bearish swing. That's it. So obviously it would induce more buy side liquidity here. And once the price takes out this buy side liquidity, touch POI, boom, I can look to take longs. That was a very easy trade. And yeah, as expected, price made a chop bullish and we need to wait for a clear POI to be formed. And yeah, it has formed. This is a very good POI from which I can look to trade longs. So this is phase A2. The price is actually reacting off from daily supply. So this box is not checked. So it is in line with the high tech in the H1 order flow. And this H1 POI satisfies 4 out of 8 criteria. And the higher time frame is also supporting the medium time frame area. How? The high time frame is showing me that uh, target would be the bullish, I mean the daily buy side liquidity, which is bullish. And 4 hour is a bit neutral because 4 hour can make an internal pullback or continue its run leg. So it's kind of neutral, but daily we are having clear bias. So what are the POI criteria? It has swept liquidity, it has displacement, swept liquidity, displacement, made shift in the order flow chalk, and it is unmitigated, still yet to be mitigated, and it has come during the kill zone mainly. So all these confluences add up and make it a good POI. So what are the other confluences for this trade idea is that it has swept the Asian eye and the supply, so the demand sense is being respected, and there is a higher time frame structural liquidity that can be targeted. And one more thing is that it was having positive SMC, SMT with the XY. So confluences are adding up. It's a high probability long. So the only thing I need to have is a proper, clean, lower time frame model. That's it. Once I get that one, I can enter this trade without any hesitation. So this is 15 minutes, and the entry method is only M15 LC1 because there is no lid after these things, and probably price may or may not do the fake chalks. So LC1 lid is the best option. Yeah, price actually mitigated the H1 demand, and then it has chalk bullish in M15. So this would induce a lot of sell side liquidity, and price can come down to this to take out the pullback inducement. And then once the price takes out this pullback inducement, then I can look for longs using LC2A model. That was my expectation, price to come down to take out the early buyers. But price never came down and it started to go up and up. So the early buyers were benefited today from this trade. But people like me who wait for extra confluences or go against this trade. But even if I place the trade, considering this as a LC1, that is M15 lead, then I would have placed my trade on this candle just above the high of this candle and just below the low of this candle as a stop loss. So taking fib from this point to this point, the 61.8 comes around here. So which means I can confidently break even with a ton of buffer to for me. But the price came down rapidly to take out this 61.8 and the stop loss liquidity below it, and then one massive push up, and then to take the take profit. So you can be super mechanical and stick to this lead, and you can take the trade. But for me, this lead I want it personally down here. Otherwise, inside the POIs would be totally fine. But I don't want it outside the POI and not very far off the POI. But still, if you're perfectly mechanical and you trade like a robot, you can use this method to enter longs in this trade. So anyway, it is what it is. So I can't control all the variables of the market. All I can do is control the things that I am able to control, which eventually makes me sync with the market. So yeah, to summarize, there is no trades on GU and I didn't trade EU. So see you tomorrow, guys, on September 25, 2024. And then cheers, guys. Bye.